Hi, Vanakkam, IndiaGlitz.com viewers. MP Neetu Chandra, April Kinga guys. Thank you so much for giving such great reviews for Adi Bhagwan, and I'm very excited and very happy. Romba Santosham irukku that you guys have watched and actually reviewed and have been tweeting me, and I love all the tweets about you because I work really hard the whole day, and when I go back I read all your tweets and feels like giving me rewards actually every time I read a tweet. It was a great experience working with Amir Sultan because for 3 years I feel as if I've grown with him, with J.M. Ravi too. J.M. Ravi has done double role and both of the roles are very exciting and very different than each other. I have also seen that Amir sir has a very different kind of thought process when it comes to giving roles to actresses in the film. Before that, this also Parthiviran or Ram, everybody, all the female actors had really good role to play. And in Adi Bhagwan, he gives me another role which is positive, negative, both, and so many things to do in this role. I am really thankful to him, Romba Nandri Amir sir, that you gave me this role which had lots to do. I danced, I sang, I cried, did a lot of stunts in the film, and everybody is really appreciated. They are calling me Indian Angelina Jolie and all those things because of you. I have been expecting huge positive response to the film because also guys, I have to tell you today I wanted to watch the film at 1:15 at Wave Express Avenue, Chennai, but I did not get the tickets. I am the heroine of the film and I did not get the tickets, and I was very happy. I was like, yay, I don't want to get the tickets for next 1-2 months. So I was very happy, and because the kind of response I'm getting through the film, it's mind blowing, and people are finally recognizing my talent and my hard work. So Rombo Nandri. Yes, I visited a lot of theaters in whole Chennai, and people started screaming Rani, 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 and I was like, oh shit. It was very embarrassing for me, but I loved it because they kept on calling me Rani, Rani, and they loved my stunts and they loved my fight. Because I remember when I was shooting in Rajasthan for action sequence, it was really tough. In the morning from 8 o'clock till night, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, we used to shoot continuously, and it was very tough, too much hard work. Physically you just get really tired. Sometimes I used to get hurt also. Ravi used to also get hurt, but we kept on doing it 15, 20 days, 22 days of action sequence of all of us shooting, Ravi and me. It was crazy, but it feels nice when the audience recognizes it and acknowledges it. Thank you so much. I'm really happy, and I promise to work harder and harder. Film industry has been complimenting me, the directors and some of the actors, producers also have called me and said that it's a different kind of role which you're doing, and which is very good, and I'm very excited about it. It is a great experience. It is a great feeling because very less it happens that you are appreciated with the hero equally. So very less it happens, and I really want to thank Amir sir to giving me a role like this where it became possible. I will romance with him also one day, but I did romance with him in first half of the song, so film. So it's fine. The role was like that. That is why I had to do it. Well, that's a very difficult question. Karishma is close to me. That sweet girl and simple. Rani was a little great, so it was a little tough. But I like both of them in different ways. I like Ravi. Now he does Adi or he does Bhagwan. I like him. So I think he's done a great job with both of them. Well, I don't drink and smoke at all. On record, I'm saying this. So everybody keeps on asking me that it's not good for health, you should not do it. I don't do it at all. So I don't drink, I don't smoke. I only did it for the film, and I don't do after that also. Well, dying and living is not in my control. Is it in my control? No. It is the demand of the script. If the script demands me to die, I will die. And if the script demands me to dance, I will dance. If the script demands me to do action, I will do action. So I am a script-driven actor. I cannot demand on not dying or dying. Thank you, IndiaGlitz.com viewers. Thank you to all. Thank you for all your support, all your love, all your tweets, for watching the film or for accepting me. And I will need all of you by my side every time. Thank you again.